chicken thigh.
Cold beer on Friday night, a pair of jeans that fit just right, and the radio. I like to see songs.
Buddy.
See the love in my woman's eyes, feel the touch of my precious child, and no mother's love. It's funny how it's the little things in life that mean the most. Not where you live, what you drive, or the price tag on your clothes. There's a dollar sign on a piece of mind, this I've come to know. So if you agree, have a drink with me, raise your glasses for a toast to a little bit of chicken fried and cold beer on Friday night. A pair of jeans that fit just right, and the radio. I like these songs right. See the love in my woman's eyes, feel the touch of my precious child, and know mother's love.
Dance.
Thank God for my life. For the stars and stripes, made freedom forever fly. Let it ring. Salute the ones who die, the ones that give their lives, so we don't have to sacrifice all the things we love, like our chicken pie. And cold beer on a Friday night, a pair of jeans that just right, and the radio. I like to see the song, see the love in my woman's eyes, feel the touch of my precious child, and know my